students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that the copy the figure given here. Take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and shade a few more squares to make the figure symmetric about a diagonal. Is there more than one way to do that? Will the figure be symmetric about both the diagonal? So basically we are given this figure, we have to consider one diagonal as a axis of symmetry, and according to that we have to draw some we have to basically fill some more square in order to make this figure symmetrical. So let's say we are taking this diagonal as the axis of symmetry. So we are taking this as the axis of symmetry. We have to fill the circles in order to make this figure symmetrical. So we are going to fill this because this circle is filled. So we are going to color this figure in order this square in order to make this symmetrical. So this square is colored. Now if this circle is this square is covered and this square is colored, so both these two squares are in symmetry. Now the square adjacent to the square which we just colored is colored, but here this square is not colored, so we are going to color this square in order to make this symmetry. So we colored this square. So look here, this is these two squares are making the axis of symmetry. Now again these two are equal, so these two again are making the axis of symmetry. Now look here, this square is colored, but if we have to make this into axis of symmetry, this is not colored, so we need to color this square as well. So we colored this square. Now look here, both the squares are equal. Now the square adjacent to the square which we just colored is colored, but here this is blank, so we need to color this square as well in order to make this make the figure symmetrical. So here this is our diagonal which we are considering as the axis of symmetry. If you look on the both side, so equal squares are colored and we can say that this figure is symmetrical. So we can say that this figure is symmetrical. Now this figure is symmetrical about across this diagonal. If we draw a diagonal opposite to the diagonal other diagonal, so if you can look here, this is colored, 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 this is colored. So we can say that all the opposites are colored. So we can say that the axis of symmetry is across both the diagonals. So both this figure is symmetric across its both the diagonal. So this is the answer to given question, or we can say that this is symmetric about both the diagonals. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of symmetry. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.